Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be going over Qujam's reporting dashboard and how to make the best of it in order to organize your results in a way that helps you make the best campaign decisions for yourself and your organizations. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this new graph and what all of this information means and how do you organize it in a way that makes the most sense for you. So the first thing to note are these labels at the top: impressions, clicks, actions, CPA, CPC, CPM, CTR, spend. And what they are is, impressions is how many times your ad was seen. Clicks is pretty self-explanatory. It's how many times was your ad clicked, and the people went the people went to your landing page that you put into your campaign. Actions is conversions. You're only going to see this if you enable conversions. So if you either set it up in your profile or your campaign itself, you can track how many people saw the ad and then went to your physical location. The CPA is cost per action. So this is how much it costs in order to generate a conversion. CPC is cost per click, the cost for a single click. On average, the CPM is cost per 1,000 impressions, and the CTR is click-through rate. And spend is how much you spent. So all of these are clickable. And when you click on them, you will hide them. So if you don't want to see your CPM, your click-through rate, you can do that, and you can only see information for impressions, clicks, and actions. So all of these are clickable, and you can use that in order to kind of customize your view in order to get the information that you need. So this is also very filterable, right? So you have the ability to filter by time frame up here. So you can do, right now I have it as custom, where you can do custom dates to filter it by, but you can also do by year to date, the last 90 days, 30 days, or previous month, or month to date. So first thing what I'm going to do to kind of show that is, instead of all of this, I'm just going to look at the 18th onward. So click on here, on the 18th, select, and now we have just this information from the time of this, September 18th to the 1st, and it's a lot nicer looking, right? So you can see how your campaign kind of fluctuated and performed over that period of time. Now, another way to filter the data besides the time frame is you can filter it by status. So right now, let's say you want to just do campaigns you don't want to do any active campaigns. You just want to see the ones that have ended or stopped. Click that, it'll remove any active campaigns, which currently there aren't any down here. But you can also filter by the name. So let's say I just want to see the results for this campaign, Baxton Text VPR, right? So just type in Baxton, and it'll bring up the results for these 3 Baxton tests that have that name. But let's say I just want to do VR. Now it's just showing you the graph for that specific campaign. You can also group it together and see, okay, so now I have all of them, right? I want to see the results for all 3 of these campaigns. And you can kind of customize this however you want. Another thing you can do is, if you have multiple organizations, which this account does not, but if you have advertisers, right? If you're an advertiser that has multiple clients, you can click on which organizations that you want to see and which ones that you don't want to see. And this can be particularly useful for reporting and invoicing down the line. Anyways, that's it for today. That's how you navigate the reporting dashboard. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to send an inquiry to the contact form down below at the bottom of this page. Thank you very much and have a great day.